He is within and without. Simply we have to purify our eyes to see Him, that's all. You can see God without and within, but you cannot see with these eyes. These materially contaminated eyes or materially contaminated senses, you cannot understand by these senses. But God can be perceived, can be seen by these senses, by these eyes, when you purify it. That purificatory process is Krishna consciousness. The more you purify, the more you can see God within and without. Atas Shri Krishna namadi na bhaved graham indriyai. The indriyai, these senses cannot perceive, cannot see, cannot touch, cannot hear namadi. Unless you are purified, you cannot hear also Krishna name. Unless you are purified, the name enters this ear and goes out in this ear. You cannot appreciate. Therefore, purificatory process is required. People are affected with three kinds of material qualities: goodness, passion and ignorance. Generally, they are affected by the lower two qualities, ignorance and passion, rajastama. How do we know that this man is in the modes of goodness and this man is in the modes of passion and this man is in the modes of ignorance? How do you know? By the symptoms. By the symptoms. When one is affected by the lower qualities, rajastama, passion and ignorance, his symptoms are that he is very greedy and lusty. These are the symptoms. As soon as you find a person is very greedy and lusty, he is to be understood under the control of the lower grade qualities of this material nature. And Satagun means prakash, illumination. When one is situated in the goodness, that is Brahminical quality. Satta, sama, dhamma, titikha. He is truthful. He is controlling the mind, controlling the senses, sama, dhamma, titikha. He is tolerant, titikha, arjava, he is simple, simplicity, sama, dhamma, titikha, suchi, he is clean. Jnanam, he knows things, what it is. Vijnanam, he can apply the knowledge in practical life. Jnanam, astikam. Astikam means to have firm faith in God. He knows that God is there. God is there and he knows that God is within, God is without. These are the symptoms of a person who is in goodness. So these three classes of men are there. The Krishna consciousness movement means to bring persons from the wretched, low qualities, ignorance and passion, to bring him to the platform of goodness. And that goodness also has to be purified. In the material world, the goodness is also attacked by the other lower qualities. Big man, a very good man, but there are so many defects. Because unless, first of all, we have come to the platform of goodness, Brahminical position. Then you have to purify that goodness, Sattang Vishuddham. Vishuddha Satta, Vasudeva Sabdita, Vasudeva platform. Then he will be able to understand what is God. It is not so cheap thing that one can understand God so easily while he is in the modes of material nature, especially the lower grade modes.